Imagine enjoying delicious meals in your backyard. An outdoor kitchen makes that possible. Today, we'll explore how to build your own outdoor kitchen, step by step. An outdoor kitchen enhances your living space. It provides a gathering area for family and friends. Cooking outdoors changes the way you experience food and fun. Let's dive into how to create your perfect outdoor kitchen. First, choose the location. Look for a flat, accessible space. Consider proximity to your home, water, and electricity. Next, design your layout. Think about the elements you want. Popular features include a grill, sink, counter space, and refrigerator. After that, gather your materials. You'll need durable materials to withstand outdoor conditions. Common choices are stone, brick, and stainless steel. Then prepare the foundation. Level the ground and install a sturdy base. Concrete is an ideal choice for durability. Now, build your kitchen structure. Start with the framework for your grill and counters. Secure everything to ensure stability. After building the frame, add countertops. Choose materials that are weather-resistant. Granite or tile are excellent options. Next, install appliances. Make sure they are outdoor rated for safety. Position your grill, sink, and refrigerator according to your layout. Now add finishing touches. Include lighting for evening cooking. You might also want to add seating areas and decor to enhance ambiance. Imagine hosting a barbecue with friends. The aroma of grilling fills the air. Laughter and chatter echo around as everyone enjoys the outdoor setting. To summarize, select the right location and design your outdoor kitchen. Gather materials, build a solid foundation, and construct your kitchen. Remember to include appliances and add personal touches. Are you ready to create the outdoor kitchen of your dreams? Start planning today. Share your journey with friends and family. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.